Welcome. Let's get familiar with the UN's MindCompanion. The United Nations has designed this app to assist you in conducting a quick self-assessment of your mental health and well-being. It will provide you with tools and information that will assist and support you in staying fit and fully charged. Regular use of the tools and information in this app will help you understand your mental health status and also help you recover when your battery is depleted. Remember, being attentive to your mental health is key to maintaining or enhancing your resilience and effectiveness in discharging your duties. The first thing to understand is what is meant by the mental health continuum that you see on your screen. Green means you're healthy and doing well. Yellow means you're coping well and managing your stress. Orange indicates you're struggling and facing challenges that are adversely affecting you. Red indicates it's time to seek medical help and support. Understanding these colors will help you recognize when to take a break, talk to someone, or seek more support. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your wellness optimally charged. You would like to ask as to why you should use this app. Health is more than just physical strength. It's also about the mind. A sound mind is crucial for clear decision-making and maintaining strong relationships, and also for handling the pressures of duty. Your mental well-being impacts not just you, but your colleagues and the success of your missions. Therefore, caring for your mental health is just as important as maintaining physical fitness. This user-friendly app is your ally in nurturing your overall well-being. Regularly using this app helps you recognize early signs of stress or psychological strain. Think of this app as a personal wellness companion, offering guidance, resources, and support designed for your unique challenges. It helps in your journey towards maintaining a balanced, healthy mind. You will of course want to know if your information will be secure in this app. Absolutely. We have designed this app with your privacy and security in mind, ensuring confidentiality at every step. The results of these tools remain within the app and cannot be accessed by anyone other than you.